Hi everyone, today we are introducing the new 301 drive. So this is the evolution of the original 301 drive, which you can see there. As you can see, the machine is quite different in terms of dimensions, just 5 centimeters higher, but it comes with a bunch of new features, new interesting features. This new version, it has a conical filter, which is cleaned easily with the all new DUSTOP filter cleaning system. It has the tangential suction inlet, which you can see here. As you can see, the filter is a conical cartridge filter. This shape allows the powder to drop down into the container much more easier, since it doesn't incur in any resistance on the filter surface. It is very functional, very easy to use, since you have only 3 screws that you need to plug or unplug when changing the filter. It has also this plug here, which you can use to plug electric power tools up to 2500 watts. One feature which is very important, which it's not featured on any other machine of this level, it has a detachable container, which you can see here, and you can just go and discharge it wherever you want. In addition to the conical filter, the machine is equipped with a very big cyclone, which allows a cyclonic effect inside the chamber. So the dust comes inside from the suction inlet, which is tangential, so the powder goes on the side of the chamber and slows down and comes into the container. So this allows the machine to have an even more efficient system of filtration.